All right, hey, we're here to do a select start. I'm Coupe Gardner at Pipeline Supply, and we're going to go over just a couple steps on how to do a select start. So here's we got a piece of cal tube and our liner. First step is to actually clean off the surfaces. We want to make sure that our weld sticks together. In doing so, you want to make sure your surfaces are clean. So got a little acetone here. Clean off your ends, the outside of your liner, both sides actually. Then we're going to do the inside of our cal tube. You can actually do both, the inside and the outside of the cal tube. Okay. Then you're going to sleeve the liner inside your cal tube, and you're going to want to do it at no more than about a ½ inch. The reason why, if you got too big of a lip, I've seen it where it won't invert and you get stuck, and if it does invert and you got too big of a lip, it'll actually leave a lip on there and you'll cure it with a lip. So do it about a ½ inch. We got a little flat iron. This one's set at 410 degrees and it's heated up, so we're going to weld it. At 410 degrees, I usually leave it on there for about 11 seconds. This one side, flip it over. Just get a rag or whatever you got just to keep it pressed down. Make sure your welds are good. And that's actually about it. That's how you do it with the flat iron. All right, once it's welded, you can do the test and just see if you can actually pull it off. But it's welded pretty darn good. All right, so after we use the flat iron to do our select start and welded it, what you can do as an extra precaution is to get a strip of duct tape, and don't use the whole strip of duct tape. Go ahead and split it down the middle, and what you're going to do is put it on the seam of the cal tube and the liner where you actually welded it together, and don't overlap it. Just get your duct tape and meet it together. But this should be what it looks like at the end.